one of the things that I've set up in the templates is the fonts. So it just means that you have the option to edit fonts based on a style. So basically I've got everything set up under paragraph styles, and you can kind of find this if you select on a text box, and then under format, if you go into text, you can find a drop down which allows you to see the paragraph styles that I've selected or created for you already for the document. So if you wanted to change this particular style of text to something else, you can just click on it, and then it already has the information set for you, so that you don't need to, reconfigure every text box to ensure that your branding is maintained. So for this one, it was H4. As you select different elements, you'll find out what we've called them, but it's basically heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, and 5.